Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm back on my 6th channel. Sorry for the 3-day break. It'll be longer if people keep disliking my videos and not giving them views. This is the Jaws Collection 2020, and I just got Jaws 4K today. So I'm just going real quickly. There's Jaws, the original version I had, 2, 3, and the Revenge. I got the cups and the first 2 novels. Okay. Y'all like, that's short, dude. I know. I want to get to this 4K. Hold on. And there we go. The Blu-Ray, the 4K, the handbook, which has sketch arts, sketches, storyboards. That's it. It has set photos, behind the scenes stuff. Yeah. And there's a ton of special features. Alright guys, so that's basically it for this unboxing. My thoughts on Jaws. It's my favorite shark movie of all time. So when I found out this 4K was coming out, I wanted it and I got it.